Alright, we got our A's done. B, top. Bottom. That's overpicked. There we go. All right, let's go a little further, I think. Okay, B1, B3 is good. Okay, maybe we don't have to go further. Oh, we do. I can feel it now. Have to put more pressure. Usually I go a little bit further. There we go. There we go. All right, let's read this. This car's hot. It's right in the sun. Lock codes, fill online. Question mark. 3, 5, 355. Question mark. B side. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. And probably 5. Make chart. We got one option. We're gonna cut this key. Honda Fit Master.
Man, we didn't get her.
Say it again.
No, sorry.
308.
Sonny. Hello, Sonny. I took the guy from the Toyota. Are you trying to do a reset immobilizer again? No. Just empty. No, he's doing empty.
Okay, and what's it saying? Touch the key to the start button? What did it say?
Sonny. Yo.
Did it say touch the key to the start button?
It's not push to start.
Okay, it's not a push to start?
No, it's regular ignition. It's turning ignition.
Okay, so you have the key in the on position?
Yes.
Is the security light solid? What's the security light doing right now?
It's blinking every second, once a second.
Okay. Is it does it say, like, can you see how many keys are in the memory or no?
It says 0 keys in the memory, yes.
Okay. You could try to do immobilizer reset again. I don't think it'll work, but you should be able to just do add a key. With the original, try doing it with it off because you don't have a working key.
Okay, just leave it off?
Yeah, leave it off in the beginning and see what it says. Will it connect? I don't know if it'll connect though. You got the flashers on?
No.
Put your flashers on, your hazards on. Yeah, I'm gonna try add a key again though. Okay, that's done.
Okay. Alright.
Try it again and see. Let me know. You can send me the codes.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I'll send it to you in a few then.
Okay, sounds good.
Thanks.
Yeah. All right. Just gotta get this out.
טוב, תנסה, שלח לי עוד קוד, אני אשלח לו מה אני אעשה. אוקיי, ביי.
All right, that tool's out. Kind of. It's caught on the dust cover. Get it out. Let's check our key. See if we got it. I don't know if this door lock doesn't work. Well, I picked it. Spray with WD-40 here in a second. Dang it, I did not cut this key right. Motherfucker. Oh, why? Why me? Why today? Look. The two tips are off-centered. I have to calibrate the machine. Alright, let's calibrate it. Set up utility. Oh. Calibration. Jaw setup. AC. Oh, okay. Cancel. We need to remove the cutter. This is our calibration. Okay. It said remove cutter. We'll take out the cutter. Start. Remove cutter. I removed that. Okay. Please remove the key or the calibration template tool from the drawer if present. So why did it show it on the picture? Okay. Install T00. Okay. It's gonna break that fucking tip. It froze. The problem that it froze now is that this tip's gonna snap when it moves. So I'm trying to do it without it. I don't have a way to do it. Alright, well, at least I got more. That's annoying. It's definitely gonna snap it, I already know. I've done this before. Oh my god. It's like completely stuck. Setup, calibration, tracer setup, jaw setup, AC, start. Maybe not, let's see. We're frozen. We are completely frozen. Keyline USA. Let's see if I answer the phone.
Thank you for calling Keyline USA. Calls may be recorded for customer satisfaction. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. For technical support, press 1.
Okay.
For customer service,
Broke it.
press 2.
Test complete, okay. I'm gonna restart the machine, put a new tip stop in. That's annoying. Let's see. Okay, we don't have to restart it. Alright, I gotta put a new tip stop in because I broke it. No other choice but to break it. They're fairly inexpensive. I keep a whole bunch of them. Let's replace this. We're gonna go to calibration, AC, start. Why is it frozen? Just hit save. Okay. Start. Start again. I'm gonna go to setup, calibration, jaw, AC, start. Okay. Remove the tip stop. It's removed. Okay. Calibration tool not found. I know I took it out. Oops, let's put it in. That's okay. Calibration tool. We'll start. Okay. Please move the rod to the closing position and close the shield. We're going to move it here. We're going to close it. Okay. press save. Yes. We'll do it one more time. Same thing again. Start. Okay. 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 Decoding. Let's clean this machine a little bit. Press OK. Doing its thing. Okay, save. Yes. Back, 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 back. Vehicle. We're gonna go to Honda. Whatever, Accord, sure. Go with codes. Actually, I could just go home, setup. Key history. Where's key history? Setup, utilities, key history, L308, next, cut. I didn't even put a key in there because we have to please remove, blah, blah, blah. We'll remove this. That's okay. It just snapped my other tip stop. What the fuck? Oh, I think it said to take it out. Oh, I didn't even pay attention. That's stupid. That's 2 on 1 job. All right, I'm doing this job for free, guys. That's done. Now I'm frustrated. Cancel. Need another tip stop. Oh my god. Gotta make sure we put the other one away. I need these calibration stuff. I don't want to lose them. So I'm gonna put those away. Let's replace this again. That was stupid. That was dumb. I'll have to reorder these right now so I have them. Alright, let's try to cut this key again. key. And you can actually see that the tip is good. They're the exact same. First one I did, you can see that they're off. One's higher than the other. Left side is higher. So if your key's not going in, look at your tip. If it's off, then that might be your problem. I know it was mine. Now I just want to file this key down, but of course, I dropped my file somewhere. Oh, I know where I put it. I probably stuck it into this calibration kit. Yep, sure did. All right. It's like once every 6 months you gotta calibrate it, but you don't know until you mess with the key. I guess I can do it randomly here and there. Okay. Look at that. It goes right in. Well, at least I read the cuts right. So. All right, let's put his key together. So. Hello.
Hey, so sorry I'm.
That's okay. What's going on?
Nothing much. He sent me the same one. So just send a new one.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about it. I'll take care of you when we're done. That shitty thing.
It's okay.
Okay.
At least I'm not the only one stuck at a job, right?
Yeah. That's retarded.
I just I had to redo my whole whatever, my thing went out of calibration, so I was doing that. I just got mine working, so I could work on yours. So let's do that. Do that. All right, I'm sending it to you right now.
Okay, sure, perfect. Thanks.
No problem. Cut. Paste. Submit. Okay. Copy.
Sorry.
All right, I sent it to you. All right, I ran out of shells, so I just grabbed one of my keys. And I'm just going to take the board out. Okay, we'll take the board out. We'll take his. He lost a blade. That's pretty much what happened over here. This remote actually still works just fine. We'll put it in here, and that's it. We're done. I should give him. I'll give him the new back because that one's messed up. Call him up.
Hello?
Hey, it's all done.
Oh, awesome. I'll be right out.
Took a minute. I had to recalibrate my machine and stuff, but at the end of the day, we got it.
All right, I appreciate it.
No problem. Yep. It's always that first time you gotta yank it out and then you're good.